Hello everyone, I'm Thanasis and welcome to our Valentine's Day special. Today we'll study 5 romantic Greek words and phrases that will help you impress your loved ones this Valentine's Day. Are you ready? Let's get started. Let's start with some simple but powerful words. Μωρό μου, μωρό μου. Αγάπη μου, αγάπη μου. Want to express your feelings in Greek? Here are some phrases you love. Είσαι όμορφη. Είσαι όμορφος. Είσαι όμορφη. Είσαι όμορφος. Σ' αγαπώ. Σ' αγαπώ. Just two words, σ' αγαπώ, and will make your partner's heart skip a beat. Μου λείπεις. Μου λείπεις. When your loved one is away, say μου λείπεις to express how much you miss them and remind them of your affection. That's all for today. Now you are ready to impress in Greek this Valentine's Day. Try using these phrases and let me know how it goes. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share with someone you love. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning. Τα λέμε!